Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a blood pressure monitor. We're going to open this up with the biggest knife I could possibly find. Let's see what we got here. It says upper arm electronic blood pressure monitor. So this is what it looks like here. So this is the device right there. And it's probably going to take some batteries. It does. It's going to take, looks like 4 AAAs. And then here is the cuff, and it comes with the batteries as well, so even better. So 1, 2. I don't know if that's the easiest way to open these batteries. Okay, I think I got all the plastic off of them. So they just go in the back like normal batteries go. 3, 4. Okay, batteries are in. Case is closed, and there we go. So we have it setting here. It wants to set the time and date, but I'm just going to ignore that for the moment. So here we can see it's set at 0 currently, and it's trying to go, but we don't have the cuff on yet. So here is the cuff. So it looks like just a traditional regular cuff with the little air valve here. And I guess all the other stuff happens inside of the device. So we're going to try this and see if it works with me standing up here. So it might not be the best choice, but it looks like there's only one hole in the side for this right here. So there, we're set up. Now we'll hit start. And this will be interesting to do it when I'm standing up. So now it's at 0. So we are doing us now. Anybody ever do your blood pressure standing up? I definitely feel it filling up with air. It's pretty full. Being quiet, well, it does it, but I don't know. Okay, so I'm 134/94 standing up, so I'm probably fairly high blood pressure standing up. It's kind of weird, but you get the idea. So it's a really cool little device here, and it does what it needs to do. So if you need just a nice little blood pressure monitor to keep handy, this is the one to have. And it looks like it has a USB 5-volt connection. So if you wanted to hook it up through USB-C, you could do that probably as well to power it. So if you run out of batteries, looks like you have another option. Let's see what these instructions are here. If there's anything there, I don't know if you'll even be able to pause it and zoom in, but at least you've seen what they look like. There you go. So that's the instructions. But you get the idea, and it can set the time and date and some other stuff as well. So pretty cool. And it has memory. Got everything you need. Thumbs up.